So hey everybody, today I wanted to talk about how screen recorders work. Now everybody's probably thinking there's, these things that you use to record your screen, when you're playing video games, things like that. And while some make you really lag a lot and while some don't. Well, today we're going to talk about that. Something I was actually curious about, so I did research and I was like, I'll share it with you guys. So basically there's two kinds of ways that screen recorders work. Well, there's probably more. It's just I'm using one of the two ways that most people use, or what most screen recorders work. The first way, which is pretty sometimes laggy, depends on how good your system is the processor takes pictures of your screen at certain intervals, which is obviously where you get frame rate. So how many times a second it does this is where you get FPS, and how many frames in a video. So basically how often it takes the picture, kind of similar to how the original, or how video is kind of taken today from phones, or from my phone right now that I'm using to record this because I'm broke and I shouldn't pay that much money on my computer. Anyway, so my point is there's two types of ways, and the first way is obviously using pictures at a certain interval. The next way is actually, I have one of these over here. This is actually going to be used for testing and benchmarking stuff eventually. This is a capture card, and this is, I don't remember what I've had this for, but let me just turn it off real quick. But this is a capture card, and what this is the second example of what we have, which is a dedicated hardware that actually records it. Now you're probably thinking, well, how does this work? And it kind of does the same thing in idea, but it basically copies what's going through the screen and kind of saves it all at once. It kind of uses that data and it transfers it into whatever the output device is. So for example, if I wanted to record my said screen, I could use this, and it would this would hardly ever affect frame rate when you're recording with this. This is just because this does all the effort of capturing everything instead of your computer. And so this is why getting one of these is a lot better for when you're going through and testing stuff, is because if you're recording this and benchmarking stuff, you obviously don't want a lot of interference with frame rate, because that's not good. So I've got to start using this when I'm recording, because I do have another computer to use it. But that's just my point is, there's the thing that it captures all the data that's going through here and sends it back to the computer, so it's readable. And there's taking pictures at a certain interval that I mean, honestly, taking pictures at a certified interval is like taking screenshots like so fast. It's gonna lag up the computer. And then of course if you're doing it separately from the computer altogether, then it will work out pretty nice. And I'm actually gonna put this back right now because I don't have any hardware to test it on yet, sadly. I don't have any. All I have is this system back here, and I've kind of milked it dry in videos I can make from it. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope this explains something, because I was honestly really curious about it as well. But let me know what you guys thought down in the comments. And of course, if you have any questions, ideas, or stuff, put them down there as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.